How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have the Snapchat application and maybe you want to send snaps to someone from your gallery, what happens is that it will get sent as a chat. And to show you the context, let the installation be complete over here. What usually happens here is that whenever you open the Snapchat application, so let us wait, you click the open option and then you just go to the DMs page. Let's say you want to send it to someone, you just select it, you just tap on this icon here and then you select it and then you hit the send option. But the problem here is that it will basically get sent as a chat and not as a snap. So how do you want to send it as a snap? To do this, all you have to do is just tap on this little camera icon here and then scroll all the way to the right hand side until you see the explore section here. Once you see the explore section, you can tap on explore, and in the search box you simply want to search for photo filter. So just type in photo here. Once you type in photo, you'll be able to see different sorts of filters, so just select the one that you like here, and after that just make sure to go ahead and then basically choose a photo. Once you choose a photo of your choice, just select the snap and then just click the next option over here. Once you click on next, select the person to whom you want to send it and then hit the arrow icon, and then you'll be able to basically send them snaps just like this. And let me show you by proving it to you as well. If I open it up and then if I just come to it, this time the new one has been sent as a snap. The previous one was sent as a chat, but the new one has been delivered, so it has been sent as a snap. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.